VP Chiwenga's 500 miles ahead. The 14th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, ZANU-PF activist and commentator Wen has ignited fresh debate inside Zimbabwe's political circles after declaring that Vice President Constantine Chiwenga is 500 miles ahead in the ongoing succession battle. In remarks that circulated widely on social media late Friday, Wen said Chiwenga's strategic positioning makes him untouchable in the long run and urged citizens to trust the process. He is 500 miles ahead. Just trust the process, and no one can stop the process, Wen said, using a Shoner expression suggesting the vice president long ago mastered the political chessboard. The statement comes at a time when ruling party politics is dominated by succession disputes, with rival factions pushing different agendas ahead of ZANU-PF's 22nd National People's Conference in October. While some provincial leaders have been pushing for the controversial ED 2030 agenda, a bid to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa's rule beyond constitutional term limits, Chiwenga's allies have openly resisted, arguing the move undermines the Constitution and betrays the liberation legacy. Wen's call for patience, no one can stop the process, is being read as a reassurance to supporters frustrated by what they see as attempts to sideline Chiwenga. A Harare-based political analyst told News Times Zimbabwe, Wen is signaling that Chiwenga has already outpaced his rivals strategically. The phrase 500 miles ahead implies that the vice president is not just surviving factional battles, he is dominating them quietly and methodically. Divisions in the party. The remarks highlight the deepening split within ZANU-PF between loyalists of President Mnangagwa and those who see Chiwenga as the natural successor. Recent statements from war veterans such as Blessed Jeza and Gifford Gamwe also reinforced the sense of brewing confrontation, with both figures condemning corruption, food for votes tactics, and constitutional manipulation by certain provincial leaders. Manicaland in particular has emerged as a flashpoint, with activists accusing senior officials, including Patrick Chiwenga, of forcing grassroots structures to endorse resolutions extending Mnangagwa's rule, despite widespread resistance.